You guys, we're back. So today we'll be learning the basics of the periodic table. I hope that you are ready to learn, have your pencil, your notebook, and your calculator out, and let's get right into it. So I know that some people like definitions, so I have 3 words that I think are very important. So atomic number of protons in an atom. Atomic mass is the mass of a single atom in an element, and the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. I am a very color-coded person, so this picture that you see right here, I color each of the elements by like transition metals, basic metals, like their noble gases, just to help me. So like when I'm in class and the teacher is saying, hey, find this, I can go straight to it. So I would recommend you color coding your periodic table. It really helps, and yeah. Okay, so we're going to do a few practice problems just so you know how to, find the atomic mass, electrons, protons, and neutrons, and just so you can get used to using a periodic table because you would use that a lot in chemistry. So our first problem, we're going to start off with calcium. Okay, so this 20 right here is our atomic number. This Ca is just a symbol. And this 40.078 is the average atomic mass. Okay, so now we want to find our protons. So our protons are always the atomic number. So for calcium, it would be 20. For neutrons, it's the difference between the atomic mass and the atomic number. So for calcium, it would be 20 again. And then for electrons, it's the atomic number minus the charge, but in this case, we don't have a charge on calcium because we don't see a 2 plus or a 3 plus. So in that case, when it's a neutral atom, it's equal to the number of protons. So it would be 20 electrons again. So our atomic number is 28. And I is our symbol, which is nickel. You want to make sure that you start to, at least memorize the different symbols and their atomic mass and atomic number, because your teacher might quiz you on that. I know mine did. And the 58.6934 is the average atomic mass. Okay, so now we want to find protons. So remember what I said, our protons are always our atomic number. So it's 28. Our neutrons are the atomic mass subtracted by the atomic number. So in that case, it will be 31. And our electrons, let me write it so you can see. Our electrons equals 28 again because it's a neutral element and there's no charge, so neutral element always equals the number of protons. Okay, so you can always understand when you're following along with somebody trying to do practice problems, but it's better if you try one on your own to make sure that you're really comprehending. So your element is gonna be bromine. So I want you to go ahead and pick out what is your atomic number and what is your atomic mass, and then I also want you to find how many protons you have, how many neutrons you have, and how many electrons you have. Also, I forgot to mention, sometimes your teacher might go backwards on the quiz and they might say, hey, find me the mass number. So in that case, mass number, you can find that by adding your protons and neutrons. So find that for me too. So I'll give you about 1 minute and I'll come back and I'll give you the correct answers. All right, so I hope this was easy for you. So our protons should equal 35. Our neutrons should equal 45. Our electrons should equal 35 because it's a neutral element. And for a mass number, you should have gotten 80. So I hope you got these answers. And you know, it's not something that you can just automatically just grasp. You have to keep practicing. You can't just do one problem, all right, I got it. No, you have to keep practice, and practice. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below and I'll be glad to help you.